Hello, the Netherlands. It borders Belgium to the south. To the east, it borders Germany. To the northwest, it borders the North Sea. The most important cities are Amsterdam, The Hague, and Rotterdam. Amsterdam is the capital. The government and parliament are in The Hague. Only around 50% of the land is more than 1 meter above sea level. The land is flat. The climate is mild. The Netherlands is the world's second largest exporter of food and agricultural products. The Netherlands is divided into the north and south by the Rhine, the Waal and the Meuse rivers. This is the Rhine River. The polders. The polder system. Land reclaimed in the Netherlands. This land has been reclaimed. These are tulip fields. The polders are large areas that have been reclaimed from the sea and lakes. Windmills were used to drain the lakes. The soil on this land is very fertile. Tulips are grown on this land. Now you have a modern pump which drains the water from the land. In the past, they used windmills. Most of the tulip farms are in the northeast polder in the province of Flevoland. This area is known as the Kop van Noord in Holland. Kop, I think, means head. It is the largest continuous bulb-growing area in Holland. You can see the tulips in bloom from mid-March to the end of May. Rotterdam. The Cube residence, here is the Cube residence, is one icon in Rotterdam. It consists of 38 homes. It was designed by Piet Bloem to be a village in a city. The cubes were rotated 45 degrees. The design represents a tree and the houses are a wood. Here is Euromast and here is Rotterdam Port and here are the cube houses. The Euromast is one of the highest towers in Holland. The platform is 100 meters high and the Euroscope is 185 meters. The view at the top of Euromast is spectacular. The port of Rotterdam is mainly used for container transshipment. Rotterdam Port is the largest port in Europe. Amsterdam. In Amsterdam, you can see the Van Gogh Museum. It houses the greatest collection of paintings by Vincent van Gogh. Van Gogh was a 19th century Dutch post-impressionist painter. Another famous museum is called the Rijksmuseum. Here you can see masterpieces from the Middle Ages to the 20th century. In the Anne Frank Museum, you can see where Anne and her family hid from the Germans during the Second World War. She wrote a diary of her time in this secret home. Here is Anne Frank's room. This is a book of her diary. This is Van Gogh's museum. And here, Nemo Science Museum for children of between 6 and 16. The royal palace is situated on Dam Square. It is still used by the royal family. You can see the marble floors, paintings, sculptures, and chandeliers. Here is a chandelier, here is a marble floor, and here, presumably, other paintings. And this is the palace lit up at night. The Hague is the third largest city. It is in the west of the Netherlands. It is the seat of the Dutch government and parliament. The International Court of Justice and the International Criminal Court are in The Hague. Here is the seat of government. Here is the International Criminal Court outside and inside. And here is the International Court of Justice. Delft. Delft pottery is very famous. The Science Centre in Delft. At the Science Centre in the University of Technology, children can experiment using the machines. Bye-bye.